Welcome back, and I hope you enjoyed weekend 1. Ready for weekend 2, you should continue revising the anatomy and physiology and personal trainer manuals. You should also start to work on your 12-week plan in a bit more detail. In particular, ensure you have completed the first section of the document up until and including page 12. Once you have attended weekend 2, you'll be in a position where you can complete your first draft of the training plan and begin to schedule in your 4 programme session and programme cards that will form part of this coursework. Ready for weekend 3, you should read and revise the nutrition manual and nutrition tutorials on the student zone. Nutrition will be covered across these 2 days, as well as the core exercises, training in different environments and flexibility. You'll also get an opportunity to practice delivering your training systems ready for the practical. Use this opportunity to ask any questions you have about the practical skills you require, and so that you are ready to submit your 4 training sessions and 12-week plan on the final weekend. When you've completed weekend 2 and weekend 3, move on to video 4 to ensure you're prepared for the assessment day.